Hi everyone, today's product spotlight is something I couldn't wait to share. It's that good. Let's start with the design. It's got that perfect balance of style and practicality. But here's the surprise. The price. You won't believe how affordable it is for what it offers. High quality doesn't have to cost a fortune, and this proves it. Plus, it's super versatile. Whether you need it for work, your home, or even as a gift, it fits the bill perfectly. Details are in the description, so check it out. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on more amazing finds. Thanks for watching.